Hey guys, Jerry here with Mobile Detailing. Today we're taking a little break from detailing vehicles today. We're gonna put some graphics on. We got a sign here that of course we like covering up old detailer signs, but we got a sign guy, a diesel mechanic shop. We do his graphics and stuff for him. He ordered some vinyl to cover this up, and we're gonna install that today. We got several installs today, so stay with us. So Aaron is removing the old decals, heating it on. They come off pretty decent. They're not too hard to get off, a little hard. And we got to clean it up. And we got another one on this side. Get it off there. Yeah, man. There's the graphic we're putting on. Big shout out to Killer Custom Wraps for our he prints all of our stuff. We install. Yeah, man. Like it. Good deal. Alright, so we got this side all cleaned up. Ready, we're going to let it dry out. We've cleaned it. Aaron's over here removing graphics on this side, old decals. And get them off. We'll get it cleaned up. Alright, so we got the sign up, got the graphics up, good, real good. Yeah, man. Get tickle with that. Gotta clean our mess up now. On to the next one. Alright, so we're gonna get the owner's reaction to his signs out here. He's not seen them yet. Put install, so we'll see what he's got. Alright, boss, come on. This is a diesel lab, by the way. If anybody needs some diesel work going on, these guys right here will hook you up.
Oh yeah. Oh man, that's awesome. Dude, that looks so good. Yes sir, I'm looking forward to lighting that sucker up. Oh yes, that looks so good. I'm so happy, dude. That looks wonderful.
So on this one, it got made long.
Yeah.
So we trimmed it up.
Yep, that's just fine.
We overlapped so that the rain doesn't come down on it. But
no, I'm super impressed, man. Y'all always do awesome work. That looks awesome.
Good deal. He's gonna take a picture of it. Alright, so now we're at a little car lot here, Oldfield's car lot. There's some nice little cars here, a little more upper end cars. But we're doing a chrome delete on this Honda Passport. I think it's a Pass. I don't even know what it is. Honda truck. And getting ready. We're gonna get rid of all this chrome. Put some gloss black on it. Aaron's working on a little scratchy duty right there. And we're gonna get at it. Here's the Honda. Got the chrome blacked out. I'm working on a few little air bubbles. Looks really good. The sun was out. I think it's sucked right tight too. It's got a few little air bubbles, but other than that, it's looking real good. One down. Alright, Aaron's taking a little breather. And we got this. And of course, it's got bugs all over it. Countertop is already going to be clean. We're just doing the chrome. Doing the mirrors. Nollie. Chrome stripe. Chrome here. Chrome here. Yeah. And then on the back. Doing the Denali and the Sierra. Same thing on this side. Chrome, chrome, chrome. Mirror.
Okay.
There's the happy owner. Alright, so we got done with, we kind of got done. We didn't get the letters here, but we did get the mirrors. We got the trim blacked out. Door handles blacked out. Yeah, man, looks good. Looks good. We still got to do the words. We're gonna come back and do the words for him. Got the bumper grill.
It does.
Bottom piece.
I just gotta keep it
Grill. Looks good. And then we also worked on vision contracting today. Got that done. Looking good. Big shout out to Alex at Killer Custom Wraps. Prints all my stuff. Appreciate you, brother. This is Jerry, NXTGEN Graphics. See you.